दुई दिन मात्र आज स्टार्ट है काली की पर दिन 3 दिन हम रमाकांत पानी आसुंच बहुत सुस्थ भी होची आ सब डिटेल रे भाई कहबे कोठी आसुंच किए आसुंच सब भाई कहबे मैंने पुणी थोड़ा गोटे नुआ ब्लॉग रे स्वागत करूँ मु आसी पहुंची नेहुर पंगा।
My name is Pradeep. Today Ramakant Pani is going to come from Koraput district to the Raigad district and Bilak Chandrapur and Narupanga place name. You can visit here now. Ramakant Pani is going to come because through him God is going to do many revival work and many miracles and healing work is going on, and it is going to be now. So it is from today to up to 4th March it is going to start. So I hope you can come here, you can join here, and you can visit here and to see him and to listen to the word of God and to prepare ourselves. This is my vision and reason and to my request to come here and listen to the word of God. Thank you.
तो थैंक यू सो मच। ये होची मो भाई बहुत जानकारी देले इंग्लिश रे देले आ जो माने आसीबा गुइसा करतंती जमा भूलंतु नाही एटी नेहुर पंगा रायगड़ा डिस्ट्रिक्ट चंद्रपुर ब्लॉक नेहुर पंगा लोकेशन जो माने आसीबा गुइसा करतंती रमाकांत पानी
Ramakant Pani.
ता आसुचंती आ आसी पारिबे एटा आ पचकानी देखि पारतिबे एटी सोपा होची बहुत लोक माने भी अच्छा
You can see here, very nice, and they were decorated very nicely and with the costly money, not for you and not for me. It is for God purpose.
तो थैंक यू सो मच। एथिरे वीडियो रखि जाउछु जदि आपण मानको भल लागुछि ताले लाइक करिवे फॉलो करिवे मो आईडी को जदि भल लागुछि ताले अन्य मानको शेयर करिवे। थैंक यू सो मच।